Hello, I have here today this pretty well-known knife. It's Condor Terrasaur. The sheath is plastic, but it works great. The knife clicks there. It's not too audible, but it's held there pretty nicely. The knife can be inserted in both ways. So that's pretty okay. There is also this loop that slides onto it, like Garberg, but yeah, the sheath is pretty okay, I would say. The knife itself weighs 121 grams and the thickness is 3 mils. The grind is low Scandi, maybe too low with regards to the thickness 3 mils. It could be a little higher. The handle is made from hard plastic and there is almost no traction. Even these grooves does not really provide much grip, so the handle is a letdown for me. But let's try some cutting with it. This is green hazel. So as you can see, it cuts, but it doesn't go too deep because of the grind. But other than that, it cuts pretty nicely, so no problem there. Also with the push cuts with finger, with thumb, no problem. I have to say I have tried sharpening this knife, and maybe this was the first Scandi I ever tried to sharpen, so it's not so great. Other than that, I only sharpen Opinel, but these Scandi grinds I really didn't have a reason to sharpen any of those knives, so but as you can see, even with my sharpening skills that are almost non-existent, it cuts. The handle is too long for me, and the hard plastic is not so good because you don't have any traction, and also it's just too hard. If it was made from some softer plastic, or maybe some rubberized like Mora Companion or Rakan's ball or something, or just softer plastic, then it would be better. This is one of very few knives I ever tried buttoning with, to split some smaller pieces of wood, and also cut some not trees but small branches from a tree. As you can see, it held up pretty well. Regarding this cutting, there is no problem. You can also try to make some finer pieces or shavings. But even though the knife weighs only 121 grams, it feels heavy, or the hand gets tired relatively quickly. I suppose it's because of the handle. So the green wood is not a problem for this knife. You can try some dry wood. So it's definitely possible, but maybe with some better wood, because this is not good. It's doable, but it mainly depends on the wood. as you can see also on these small twigs you can do feathers. So it's possible, but this is not a nice example of feather stick, of course. I have also this dry fear from broken fur from a broken tree, and this is just one of the best woods because it's soft and dry, and there are no knots. It's straight. So yes, this is one of the best woods you can use for feather sticking. I bought this knife for 47 euros when it was on sale, but it should go even lower. Currently the price is around 40 euros, I think, and it's on sale. And for this price you will get full tank knife. Basically this is the cheapest full tank, I think. Definitely cheaper than Moragarberg. So the handle is quite bad, at least for me. The grind could be higher, at least 1 mil. And yeah, I don't see any real purpose for this thing at the back. I know it will say it will stick it into wood, and hammer on it, but I don't know, I don't think that's really necessary. But as you can see, it can do everything you need, and you can button with it due to the footer construction, so it might be a solid choice if you need some harder use knife.